Powered fans totally change the game when it comes to attic ventilation by boosting airflow and keeping your attic cooler and drier. So, powered attic fans actually pull hot air out super fast, which stops heat from building up and messing with your home's temperature. You want to make sure the fan is the right size for your attic because if it's too small, it won't move enough air, and if it's too big, it'll waste energy. Also, these fans work best when you've got good intake vents near your roof's eaves or soffits to let fresh air in while the fan pushes the hot air out. It's smart to pick a fan with a thermostat sensor so it only runs when it gets really hot, saving you money on electricity. Plus, some models have humidistats, which means they turn on when moisture levels get up, helping prevent mold or mildew. Installation usually goes on the roof or gable, but you definitely want a pro to handle that part to avoid leaks. Regularly check and clean your fan to keep it running smoothly because dust and debris can slow it down. And remember, powered fans not only help with attic ventilation, but can also reduce your cooling bills by making your whole house more comfortable. One of the biggest mistakes with powered attic fans is picking the wrong size fan for your attic space, which leads to poor ventilation or energy waste. Fix this by measuring your attic's square footage and choosing a fan rated for that size. Another common issue is not having enough intake vents, so the fan ends up pulling air from inside your house instead of fresh outside air. Make sure you have adequate soffit or eave vents before installing your fan. The third problem is skipping maintenance, which causes fans to get clogged with dust and stop working efficiently. Regularly clean and inspect your fan to keep it in top shape and avoid costly repairs. BigHomeProjects.com is where homeowners can find reliable local contractors easily for stuff like attic ventilation upgrades. It also helps contractors get more work by connecting them with people who are ready to improve their homes without the headache of endless searching.